How to pick the best custodian for your Gold IRA rollover. With inflation, market volatility, and growing economic uncertainty, many investors use gold to protect retirement savings. But gold alone is not enough. Knowing how to pick the best custodian for your Gold IRA rollover is just as important. The right custodian keeps your account IRS compliant, protects your metals, and makes the rollover process smooth. The wrong choice can lead to delays, hidden fees, and costly mistakes. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn how to diversify your retirement with gold. Click the link below in the description to get it. Here is a simple guide to help you choose with confidence. 1. Confirm IRS approval. Your custodian must be IRS approved to hold precious metals in a retirement account. Look for licensed banks or trust companies with clear proof of regulatory compliance. This protects you from penalties and IRA disqualification. 2. Choose a custodian with Gold IRA experience. Gold IRAs follow special rules. A qualified custodian should have proven experience handling precious metals, understanding purity standards, and coordinating with approved dealers and depositories. 3. Review fees carefully. Ask for a full breakdown of costs. Common fees include account setup, annual maintenance, storage, and transactions. Transparent pricing is a key sign of a trustworthy custodian. 4. Verify secure storage options. Gold in an IRA must be stored in an approved depository. Make sure the custodian works with secure, insured vaults and offers segregated or non-segregated storage. 5. Evaluate customer support. Strong communication matters. A good custodian provides responsive service, clear explanations, and step-by-step guidance during your rollover. 6. Check reputation and reviews. Research online reviews, Better Business Bureau ratings, and company history. Long-standing custodians with positive feedback are usually more reliable. 7. Understand buyback and liquidity rules. Your custodian should offer clear liquidation and buyback policies so you can access funds or metals easily when needed. 8. Assess processing speed. Fast transaction handling helps prevent delays that could trigger taxes or penalties during a rollover. 9. Look for educational resources, guides, updates, and market insights show the custodian is invested in your long-term success. Choosing the right custodian is a critical step in protecting your retirement savings. By focusing on compliance, experience, security, fees, and service, you can confidently select a partner who supports your goals. Understanding how to pick the best custodian for your Gold IRA rollover helps ensure your Gold IRA remains secure, compliant, and aligned with a stable retirement strategy. Do you want to learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment? Download your free Gold IRA guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.